Woo, chilly. Woo, warm. Woo, it's hot in this bitch. Woo, storm, bitch. What?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Let me finish this video because I bet you got places to go. As always, greetings and salutations, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this Boss wig that I got from samsbeauty.com. So, let's just get straight into the video. So this is the hair straight out of the box, usual info card, packed pretty nicely. I got this in the style M975 Tamar and in the color TT6 2724. The unit does come with a 5-inch deep parting and is also safe for heat styling if you want to straighten or add more curls to it. Feel free to pause the video to look at the back for the care instructions as well as all the extra information on the back of the info card. So taking the hair straight out of the hairnet, I just want to show you guys the parting. Please don't clock me for being ashy because I washed my hands before this and I forgot to lotion, so please don't come for me. As you can see, there is a 5-inch part as well as mesh netting, and there are 2 clips in the back in case you need to adjust the straps. So plopping the wig straight on my head, this is how it looks straight out of the box with no manipulation. This is what the part is looking like. It's not looking the best, but we're gonna make magic happen and I'm gonna pluck it. I just kind of want to show you guys how the back and the sides look. Very bouncy, very nice. So I'm gonna be going off camera to work it and I'll be back in a moment. So this is what the hair is looking like after I plucked it. The luster on this unit was great. Looked poppin'. The fullness and curls in this hair were perfect, no complaints at all. Just kind of running my fingers through it to show you guys how much hair shedded. Probably like 3, 4, 5 strands, but that was after I plucked it, so it didn't shed at all. I get more shed hairs on wash day, so I really like that. The parting was very easy to pluck. It didn't take a lot of hair for me to pluck out to make it look a little bit more natural. I went in and put a little bit of baby hairs in, and this is about how much hair I plucked out of the unit. As always, telling y'all if it's big head friendly, it is. There weren't clips on this, but even without them, it was very secure on my gargantuan head, so we love that. So for my final thoughts on this unit, I absolutely loved it. 5 out of 5. Bobby Boss, your Boss wig did that. I would recommend it if you want to do it as an everyday wig or wear it for once in a while on a nice date. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you feel like subscribing, please do. If you don't, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on my next video.